morning, and it's a funny old one today, but we're alive, we're awake, and the reason why I do this walking and talking is because I can. It's because I've been fortunate enough to be given another chance to actually start to live again and be the woman I was designed to be in the first place. No different from any of you guys who are fed up with just doing what you do and you know there's more out there. Mine got a kick in the backside because I became celiac. Well, not became celiac, but acknowledged being celiac. Hair fell out, and then you think, what am I going to do? So you get yourself back on track and you find all different ways to actually make it work, and then you have to pass it on. So me passing it on is to give it to you through course formats or one-to-one meetings or mentoring. We're showing you just simple skills of using your imagination. How many of you stopped using your imagination? How many of you don't dream anymore, or think bigger than you actually are, or dream the impossible? Apparently Einstein said, if you want to make your children intelligent, give them fairy tales to read. And if you want to make them more intelligent, give them more fairy tales to read. If you feed your imagination and you let it run wild, you can have the best fun ever. And I think we're so serious, we're so caught up with the humdrum of how we should be rather than who we are and how we are, that if you decide to forget about that for a time and just open up your imagination again, you have a sense of freedom because it's your imagination, no one else's, your imagination. And the more you understand that, the better you feel. And when you decide to actually take that journey and do something different with yourself, be it eating gluten-free, working on to get your hair back, working on yourself to make you feel like you again. There's different levels of growing the hair back from the inside out. And I truly do believe that if you love yourself and you look after yourself and you use your imagination and start to visualise how you look when your hair comes out, how it makes you feel, but you've already got your hair back, that you can change things. But you have to use your imagination. You have to start seeing things again. Don't look how you look now. Tell yourself, I am well. My hair is growing back. I am this gorgeous girl inside and outside, with or without hair at the moment. But start looking at yourself through your imagination eyes. Stop looking at it in reality. Start having a bit of fun and enjoying yourself. And remember that you can be whoever you are. I am an amazing woman. I am that girl that can do whatever she wants. That woman, whoever she wants to be. Just start doing it. Start using your imagination again. Have fun. Be free. Just live for who you want to be.